Our eighth question is, what is the acceleration of free fall? First of all, what is a free fall? So, any object is falling under the gravitational force alone. For example, we are dropping something. That is a free fall because there is no external unbalanced force acting on it, and that object is falling due to the gravitational force of the earth. Earth is pulling that object towards itself, and that's why it is falling towards the earth. For example, apple is falling from the tree. It will go towards the earth because gravitational force acts towards the downward. So that is a free fall in which the object is falling only and only due to the gravity. Now when object is falling down, certain acceleration will be associated to that, and that acceleration is also a product of this gravitational force under which this object is falling towards the earth. So this acceleration is known as acceleration due to gravity because it is not under the impact of any other force. It is under the impact of gravitational force. So that acceleration is termed as acceleration due to gravity, and it will be always associated with a free falling object. Any object falls towards the earth due to gravitational force of the earth alone and without another force acting on it, that is very important, is called a free fall. The acceleration produced during the free fall is due to the earth gravitational force, and it is known as acceleration due to gravity. So hope this video has solved your doubt. In coming videos we are going to cover some important concepts. So don't forget to subscribe, learn yourself. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing.